So today we are playing Overblood. Right now, this is new college game, bro. What the heck is going on? Oh my god, it didn't happen again. It didn't happen. So let's play this Overblood, a new college game. Oh my god. So let's start this rising. I don't know that I'm so happy with the new college game moment. This college game. I don't know how much it is called. It's in my mind now. Let's set it up right now. So baby. I don't know what has it like some big new college game right now. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, let's just set out in right now. How much is it that I got? I got it in a new car. So because it's a shame I have 413 amount. I'll buy this 430. Meow, meow, meow. And then, I don't know how I cheat up. See, it's right here. Yo, what? I was not having this car. Oh boy. Okay guys, let's just put color. Let's just it is 2025. Oh, sorry. 25. Let's put this. And again. Are you right here? Are you seeing me? Bro, this guy is my friend. Like friend? Or buy my money. Bro, this its tie is really black. Okay. Bro, this guy is my friend. He was telling me, you know what happened? He came my house, his mother went somewhere and so I helped him. So he held my coming food. He's a welcome to you happy. Guy, he told me this is one house is too much money. Bro, it's not too much money. I know he's lying. Just leave it. It's okay. Now this is 75. I'm very happy. Oh. What I did? You baby. Oh boy. This is so cool, bro. I like this guy. Guy, I got a new car. This car. Let's go. This is very nice car. Bro, I tell you covered. Oh my god, I didn't know the because let's put more. Yes. Are you seeing me? Oh, come. Wow. Yo, baby. Ha ha ha. Yo, wow. That's so cool. Come on. Wow. Guy, I'm tired. I don't know. We just 700,000. It was not there. I don't know how it was there. I was in the morning. It was open. I don't know. Then I said I was having this 700 car. Now I skip it myself, and then now again that is happening. 700 gone. Meow 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 meow. I'm dead. So I buy this car. I like this car. And then I have to make a stop now. It is right here. This way. And then you see here. Oh, nice. That was so big. Very close. Okay, guys, this is showing very cheap. This is really nice. I am very happy. Okay, guys, this is subscribe. This is a humble. This is like it. This is subscribe. Everyone, just subscribe. This is a 1,000, please. Okay, it's very nice car, bro. Wow. So my friends going home. So now he will go home and he will put this guy. Wow. Okay guys, this is subscribe. This is a humble. Bye. See you. See you there. See you.